guys, removing pimples on your face is very easy in Photoshop. It's very simple techniques. Already posted video, but this case totally different. Is this possible in Photoshop? Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First I am taking duplicate. You can give Ctrl J the shortcut or drag it into new layer. Then go to adjustment, invert the image, or Ctrl I is the shortcut. Now change the mode to be with light. Oh, everything vanished, right? Don't worry, we'll get it back. Go to filter, other, high pass. Now give the value until appearing like this. Maybe 11 would be great. Then add layer mask. Fill the black color by the shortcut of Alt backspace or Control backspace, or you can hold Ctrl key and click on mask layer. Then choose any soft brush, hardness value 0, brush size you can use according our image. Opacity should be 100, foreground color should be white. Then slightly apply on our skin. During this process, you can increase or decrease brush sizes. Shortcut is open bracket left and right. Still we need more details, so going Gaussian blur again, giving some finest value. Once again I duplicate the image by the shortcut of Ctrl J, then hide the original one. Now select both layers and merge it. Ctrl E is the shortcut, or you can right click and merge it. Now go to spot healing brush and apply on the small dots. Now the small dots are getting disappear. This process is done. Still you need more smoothness on your skin. I'm going to repeat the process one more time. The same process already we started in this video beginning. If you're getting any pixel breaking, use the spot healing brush and fix it. Now Ctrl L is the shortcut for level, adjusting this value slightly to get image more brighter. Again, adjustment, color balance, shortcut is Ctrl B. Here again adjust midtone value slightly and get slight adjustment according what you like. Still you feel some spot getting more brighter, use burn tool and slightly apply it. Before, after, before, after. Learn graphic designing with me and share to your friend. Keep subscribed. I hope you learned well in this video. See you soon in the next video. Until that, tata, bye bye. Thank you so much.